Okay, so which broom to purchase? Putting in a little broom work. All right. So here's a regular bristle broom. Sometimes they break apart. Sometimes they hold up well. You got to make sure that you lay them like that so they don't, you don't deform the bristles. Keep them as best you can. A broom like this has softer bristles on the outside and more tough bristles on the inside. It's not as simple as it looks, is it? A broom like this is kind of great. It's got this scraper that you could probably add to this one. This one's scraper is plastic. As you can see it here, it's kind of plastic. This scraper is much more superior. It's much better scraper, stainless steel scraper, but it's again, a bristled broom that's harder in the internal, soft on the outside. And then you look at the dimensions and how much bristles you're getting, and you can start seeing that the top broom appears to have more bristles. And then you grab a bristle and you see how flexible it is. Grab it near the top and flex. This bottom one is a lot more rigid. So both brooms come into play. As you can see, as you brush, the back bristles start feathering away, giving you just this little bit of profile left. The leading edge, if you could brush and start pushing your leading edge, that'd be great. As you can see here, we lost some bristles on this brush. Same thing with this one. It's now giving us a softer sweep now that these are feathered away. As you can see the difference, this is feathered away more than that. They've both been used on asphalt and concrete, things of that nature. So, inspecting a broom, right? What do you look for? And we have a regular house type broom that has the stronger bristles again on the outside and softer in the middle. So these brooms are engineered. All right, they're not just simply a broom. You get your stronger edge there and your softer sweeping in the middle. Yeah, I'm gonna lose that nail, as you can see. All right, let's do one more broom video. I got one more broom I can show you. Here's a broom you would love to hate. So ultraviolet wise and staying outside, this deteriorates. See the black? It is not. It did not. See, it's still good. So this broom you would consider trash because of what it does there, these fibers. But this broom still has very strong bristles here. So if you could pull these out, that would be great, or let them, go like that. That would be great. Then you still have a broom worthy of some task, but it would have to be somewhere where you're not really concerned about these working them way down dimensionally. Look at them. The ultraviolet light just broke them down. Just broke them down to nothing. So protect your broom from lighting. As you can see, this side looks stronger and better because as I store brooms like that out in the light, this unpredictably for me broke down these fibers. That these fibers being softer are also UV less resistant. Same fibers. Now let's see if I can grab one. You can see they're pretty much in. Same fibers, and they're still bound in there. This broom is, you would throw it out, except for these are still, I can grab a pair of pliers and yank these out and still have a good broom like that. So the broom is not total waste, but it is an asshole. Right? So call the broom a name like that. Of course, we have the power washer brooms like this, which I really like, the power washer versions. These things are awesome. Make sure you set it so you don't mess the bristles up, that you set it down flat, or cover it over. So I'm distributing the bristle pressure everywhere. So these things are awesome. They are replaceable. The brush. Well, that's your broom conversation. Of course, you can just use a blower. That's another version of a broom, right? And let's put these together now. This is what I have to offer you today. Broom science. Broom science 101. Which broom do you have in your closet? You know, with the commercial, what's in your wallet? What's in your broom closet? Wouldn't you like to come out of the closet?